Good morning, welcome to our Gwan tours on Gwan. Just leaving the hotel, talking quietly because Kirk's sleeping, so I'm going to go for a walk and see how long it takes from this hotel to walk to the nearest beach. So let's go. So yeah, we went out last night, got a little bit drunk. So again, this is the lowest rated hotel on TripAdvisor and on Google, and we've had a really good time. I can't say that it's been a bad experience. So let's go for a little walk. This video I found. I'm going to show you this step actually, because this step is really dangerous and Kirk's fallen down it a few times. I have as well. It's this little roof area. Someone was playing football on here the other day. This is the hotel. It's actually quite strange because this one is a different name, but they also own this one. There's two car parks. Every time we've ordered a Bolt, it's been a little bit, where do they come to get us? And they've been confused, we've been confused, but we figured it out. So there's an old reception here. Let me just, we'll go in. Wow, that song feels really good. So let's just open the door. Oh, I can't open it. Well, anyway. And then there's the main reception, that side, where that ATM is. Anyway, let's keep going. So just get your bearings. We're in ALBUFEIRA, New Town. So we're that end. So the newer strip. I do prefer Old Town, but I like New Town for going out as well. But I said this was €20 a night. We wanted to see was it as bad as the reviews. So
oh, there's Khan, let's not get killed.
We've got another little hotel which looks like it would not be a low rated. Santa Elula, I'm butchering it, but it looks pretty filthy. Also straight ahead we've got a bus stop. So like I said, buses are really good for going around, seeing what there is, and much cheaper if you're on a budget and you don't fork out the taxis. Just there you go. And then obviously there's one on the opposite side of the road if you want to know how buses work. What's down here? Or up there, I should say. But we are going to the beach. So I've been to this beach once when we first came to ALBUFEIRA. We were just here for a really long time. It was after the sort of pandemic and people are allowed to travel, so it's still relatively quiet. And we were here for almost like 2 weeks, and we just kind of really got to feel in love with the place and explore. And that's how we found this beach. So it's quite funny that we're now sort of good walking distance from it. We've got another restaurant there. Never been in there, but it looks really tasty. We got sushi. So there's another little complex a little bit further up. I'll show you that in another video. Stay tuned and you'll see that new tent as well. Don't forget to like and share. But yeah, I'll show you that little area. But we got sushi yesterday and it was €5 for 3 options. The most options you get 6 or 3. Really, really tasty, loads of options. And for €5, we both got one each and still got half of it left in the fridge. Really, really good. Sorry, someone's a little bit out of breath. Right, so he's got another hotel here. I really like the colours because it's like stands out against all the others. See there, has got a pool. It's not massive, but it will do. And then this is really cool that we saw yesterday. Just approaching it now. So you've got the park adventure and you can do paintballing or you can do climbing. So let's have a little look quickly. So it is open in October if anyone's wondering. Let me just give you guys, and there's a QR code there. Okay, there is stuff to do if you are wanting a little bit of an adventure, and that's what took me 5-10 minutes from the hotel. So if you're in a big group or you want to do some physical activities, that seems like a really cool way to spend your holiday. So there you go. Just kind of along, and then yeah. Let's keep walking. So I'm gonna have to cross in a second. Wow, look at that. So you can see, let me just, looks like it's being done up, but that's going to be a very big, beautiful space. Okay, go in. Okay, so sign for a pharmacy. This is a really long driveway. It's called Casa Moro, and I would love to know what's at the end of that driveway. I'm not going to walk down it because it does say no trespassing. I'm pretty sure that's all that sign means. But in my head, it's a beautiful, massive villa just sitting there with like a huge pool. This is quite a busy road, so if you've got little kids and stuff, just be mindful if you are in this area. There is a lot of traffic. And I'm crossing at a point where I've got cars are coming. If I'm real seagull, really. Bit of difficulty. Now stairs going down there, but that doesn't look fun at all. Right, this is all kind of back to me. I think I am on the right track. You know, like it's a memory. Smell that little view of that little death trap down there. Oh, it's seeming very familiar. The sun is coming out. Again, it is really nice and warm, but it's not sort of sweat, be uncomfortable. Nights are a lot cooler, so if you're someone who really hates evenings when it's stuffy and hot, you're not going to get that in October in ALBUFEIRA. Right, I'm into a little bit of a bend here. I love it when you just walk on a road and there's no path. That's always something. But it's round the bend. Let's hope it's not going to be anticlimactic. Another villa hidden. Casa de Paria? Don't know. Casa Saya Famino. I was like, it's not hot, now I'm like dying. Oh, pretty little flowers. I see ocean. I see some caravans, mobile homes. I'm on my own, so I'm very hairy. But this would be a beautiful place to put your caravan or mobile home. Look at this. That little backdrop. Give me the waves. We went to the beach yet because we've been sort of, we came, it was a little bit wet. So we just drank. We did a little bar crawl. That will be on the Gwan Raw, so make sure you subscribe, like and share and check that one out. There'll also be the normal walking tours on my goals as well. So loads of footage of all the places we've been. We've got lots of future places we want to go. You can see the puddles because it was pissing it down last night. Wow, look at those apartments there. Again, probably not low rated. Oh, it's been 15 minutes, sorry. Seeing my face now. I just wanted to check that everything was still filming. So I'm going to put it on me for a second. There we go. So yeah, that was really pretty. I would definitely bring my caravan or mobile home and stick it there and try and stay there as long as possible. Like I said, it's a really good area. I'm going back to this beautiful road. Make sure we're back to our path. We'll stick to the path this time. So I'm going to spin you guys back around. So we're back onto the main road and we're heading towards that beach. So this is going to be a really fun walk back up. Really didn't think this through. I've got water with me, but it isn't like a morning workout. Off to the seaside. I think there's like a little cafe, or there was a restaurant. I remember I was having like some really nice tuna panini. It was beautiful. Really, really nice. So this one is a lot steeper than the one I just showed you that I was walking down. I've got to walk back up on the way. This one is really steep, so you might just want to get a taxi down to this one again if you're not into walking. So we got the Atlantico restaurant and we see people and beach. Made it. Right, let's have a look then. Is it going to be as nice as my memories from, God, what's my life is going now? Maybe 3. Time just merges into one after a while, doesn't it? So we've got a car park. So if you are driving or if you hired a car, there is car park, toilet. Always good when you're at the beach. Got some people chilling in front. I can just hear the waves. Nothing more satisfying than hearing waves and rain. I do like a bit of rainwater, but the ocean, nothing really beats the ocean. Absolutely beautiful. So you can see it looks a little bit murky, but again, it was wet last night. So that's to be expected. So there's a little like bench area there, a little danger sign. So the name of this beach, because I realised I didn't know its name. I think you wouldn't it. So this is where we are. Right there. A bit of information. Okay. You can walk straight onto the beach down there, but we're going to walk up and around. There's a little grass area as well. I always like it when it's grass, but if you're not a sand person, then you can still enjoy the ocean, get the sun in, get a tan. Really, really pretty. Wow, gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. It's kind of those beaches that's untouched because there's not so much around. It looks really like scenic. Some beaches I like when they've got everything on them, and other times I'm like, the ocean's not. Right, let's look at this restaurant. It's out a million stairs. Let's go around. So this ramp, so if you have got a wheelchair, then has got access, which is always really good because it means you get to enjoy. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the restaurant. This is the one that we went to all those years ago. Really, really nice. There's a ramp if you do need the ramp and you take the stairs. Well, I am probably going to sit down and have a coffee because I've been craving a good coffee. And where else would you want to have a view like this? Gorgeous waves and this view, which is just so nice. Yeah. Thanks all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below.